my friends. So I did this look today, and I thought I messed up this eye, but I didn't, and I'm really happy with how it came out. And I tried to do something simple today. I just did like a simple cut crease. I put some lashes on that I don't even remember what lashes they were. That's why you didn't see them be put on, but yeah, they're on, and I think they're the velour ones that I had put on that one time, and I was trying really hard to find my velour glue, but I lost it. I don't know what happened to it, and I'm like what happened to it? It was a really good glue too, and I really liked it. Anyways, and if you want to continue to see what how to do this look, go ahead and watch the video.
So hey guys, first thing I'm gonna do is get my hair out of my face with a headband, and then we're gonna moisturize with some Badescu hydro moisturizer with vitamin C. And then we're gonna go in with the Blur Stick by Milk Makeup. And we're just gonna rub that in with our fingers real quick. We're also going to go in with the Optical Illusion by Uban Decay, their primer. It's one of my favorite primers. I'm just using one pump, and then I'm just spreading it all over my face. Starting with the areas that need it most, which are generally my nose and my cheeks, and my chin and forehead. And I'm going to use the Milk Foundation in Light. I'm actually just using the Jaclyn Star blending sponge. Just using bouncing motions with the sponge all over my face, over my eyelids, cheeks, chin, forehead. And I'm just going to keep on adding as I need it. Then we're going to go in with the Born This Way concealer, and we're just going to put some dots underneath my eyes, chin, and nose, and my forehead. I like to use the back end of the sponge to get right underneath my eyes, and then go in with the flat end areas of the sponge, just to solidify the evenness of the coverage. And then we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick in Fawn. We're just going to put in the cheekbones, contour the nose, the jaw, and because I have bangs, I don't normally do my forehead. We're gonna use that same blending sponge to blend it out. And then we're gonna go in with some concealer and highlight the areas in my nose that kind of disappeared when I went in with the blending sponge on the nose contour. And then we're gonna set our whole face with the Milk Cosmetics translucent powder. I'm just gonna dab that all over my face with a fluffy brush. Making sure the nose is really set really well. Then we're gonna set it with the Badescu, the new setting spray that they have. And then we are going to use the Tartiest Pro Glow Kit, and we're just gonna like further deepen our cheek contours, our chin contour, and our nose contour. First thing I like to do with my nose contour is I like to circle where I like the button of my nose to be. And then I go up the bridge of my nose on both sides to make it look slimmer. And then I'm going to use that strobe color in the same palette and just highlight my cheeks and nose and chin. And we're going to further highlight with the Dream palette, and we're going to use the color Wish to add some glitter to those highlighted areas. And we're going to do my brows with the Tame and Frame by NYX Cosmetics. And we're just going to do my brows how I always do them, straight and pointy and slim. And then we're going to dust some setting powder right on top of that with the same setting powder. And then we're going to use the Coastal Scents blush palette on our cheeks. And I'm just going to mix the two together. And for my eyes, I'm using only the Jaclyn Hill large palette. I went into that light brown shade, and then I'm just putting that as a transition shade right on my crease, like right above my crease and such. Just making sure everything is nice and blended. And we're going to go in with a darker brown shade, and we're going to just kind of put that where the crease is, and then blend it in with the transition shade. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be very blended together, and yeah, as long as you see that melt from the lighter brown to the darker brown, it should be fine. And then we're going to go in with some concealer and cut that crease. We're going to be going in with a cat eye shape. I like to look straight and then see where my crease is, and then just line it right above where the crease is, and then I'll use that as my guide to kind of like do the rest of the cut crease. Just making sure everything is really nice and clean and solid. And the other side as well. And then we're going to go in with this shimmery white shade that's on the top of the palette, and we're just going to pat that right on top. And we're going to go with the shimmery darker brown shade and just put that at the ends, on the corners of the cut crease. And we're going to go in with some brown, and we're going to use that shadow as our drop shadow. And then I'm just using the Puff lipstick from NYX Professional Makeup. It's in Cool Intentions, that's the color. And then we're going to go in with the usual eyeliner, the Epic Ink liner by NYX Cosmetics. And then we're going to curl my lashes to get ready for mascara and false lashes. The false lashes, I actually found the box to it, and it's the Flawless Velour eyelashes.
Okay, so that was the video. Hopefully you liked it. Yeah, leave a comment. Tell me how you like the look, and yeah, if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos from me and all that jazz, go ahead and subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day, okay?